Hey again, this is Andy from potatoesandpearls.com, and this isn't one of my normal videos. Normally I do food here if you're new to my channel, but during this self isolation slash social distancing period that we're having here, I thought I'd show you guys how I make my do-it-yourself hand sanitizer. Very small fact about me, I actually have a degree in chemistry, which probably contributes to why I can cook. So I am going to show you your a basic spray hand sanitizer, and we'll get into it right after this. Before we get started, I do want to let you know that I received my information from a paper put out by the World Health Organization. I'm going to link that paper down below to show you where I got my information for my blend for hand sanitizer. Currently, I am pouring out the rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol needs to be over 60% to be effective, and this is 99%. It is a measurement of about 752 milliliters, so it was a few of these long tubes. I just cut the video down for time purposes. Now that I have measured out the rubbing alcohol, we're going to go ahead and add in our hydrogen peroxide. 3% hydrogen peroxide is what you need, which is what you would find. And clearly I went to Walgreens, so you could find it in any drugstore. And we're going to do approximately 42 milliliters and pour that into our container. I am using a 1000 milliliter pitcher. What the numbers I'm giving is going to make you 1000 milliliters of hand sanitizer. So I would recommend, if you're like, this is way too much for me, you can cut down the amount. And I'll show you how I store my hand sanitizer at the end of this video. So I'm going to go ahead and pour in my hydrogen peroxide. And lastly, we're going to add in some propylene glycol. This is what I feel like a lot of people miss when they try to make their own quote unquote DIY hand sanitizer. Glycol is a chemical that is going to help you retain moisture in your hands. Spraying rubbing alcohol on your hands constantly can damage your skin, and the glycol is the moisture component, so you are cleansing your skin, but you're not damaging your skin. And so the last piece, well, second to last piece we're going to add in is just some filtered cooled water, and that's just going to bring it up to the top to make it a full 100 milliliters of hand sanitizer. This last piece you don't necessarily have to do. I just do it just to kind of mask down some of the alcohol scent. I add in about 4 to 5 drops of an essential oil. I just picked orange because that was the easiest one to grab. And so you just go ahead and add that in, and you have completed your hand sanitizer. I like to store mine in glass spray bottles. I actually got a 6-pack off of Amazon. I'll link that down below as well. And I just go ahead and pour in the hand sanitizer, and you're probably going to see me make a hot mess because I'm trying to I'm trying to show for the camera and not just have my whole hand in the shot, but I did get some on the countertop, but it's a cleaning agent, so we're good. And I just go ahead and fill up my bottles, and it becomes a spray. And we're done. I hope you guys like this video. I just wanted to make it quick and to the point and kind of put out some good information about keeping your hands clean during this current time, or for people in the future, making your own hand sanitizer instead of buying it from the store, or if we ever have another medical health crisis. It makes like a nice fine mist, and when you spray it on, it's not drying. It's the right amount of clean. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the like button, and I'll be coming with more food videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.